Good fucking morning, titans of tenacity and turmoil. It's time to unleash the hurricane within you. You're not here to tiptoe through the tulips. You're here to tear through the terrain like a goddamn tornado. Feel that fire in your gut? That's your power, your potential, roaring to life. You're a force of nature, an unstoppable whirlwind of willpower. When you move, the universe shudders. You've got the grit and guts to turn obstacles into opportunities. So rise up and tear through today with the ferocity of a hurricane. Let nothing stand in your way. Your momentum is a fucking maelstrom and there's no stopping you now.